Hello everyone, welcome to the NEM-TRADE. Today we are going to talk about the technical analysis about the Bitcoin and fundamentals as well. And first of all, you should go to what kind of bad news we have with MTGox selling pressure and German government fund. German government is just switching the wallets, and MTGox currently have just only moved 100 million, around 200 million something. So they have more than 2 billion, so they haven't sold yet. They will slowly. And we also have the buying range 52 to 48 and 38k the last DCA. And we also see the daily average of 200 days has just got tested, and it may got breaked. It may be broken next few days or maybe in a lot of time. And I see as a pressure 50k. Traders are saying that price will go to 30, 20, 40, 50, whatever they are saying, but we can expect the 38 maximum. And fear index is also high. If we go over there, fear index is just like the 2023. But as far as I am concerned about that, they cannot sell everything at once. They will hold. And MTGox, a lot of sellers has just gonna reinvest because they was from the beginning of crypto. And we also see the fear index over here. Market cap is has to retest the 2 trillion market cap. If it continues, it may bounce like it over here. You go in the shorter time frames like 4 hours, because currently everyone say do long term investing, do long term, because currently till the September we cannot expect a big bumps as well. We may can, but current conditions aren't saying that we will, so we can expect. But in the long term, we have currently traders also use short term uh, charts such as like 4 hours, 1 hour. Then they get shocked that market is going to crash, but there it isn't. And if you go in the longer term, it is all fine. Let me go in the shorter term more, and like we can say 1 hour. And here everyone gonna panic. And we can also see the 64 retest as well, maximum 50, 60. 60 is common. Currently it is trading around 56, I think. Currently as I'm recording the video, these are the support levels, resistance levels, and it is a declining triangle. We can also say it is forming as well, declining trend we can also call it. And we also have many other perspective currently in the market. We also see the news is of 50 and MTGox selling. It isn't a big deal because in the long term they have it. So for example, we can consider a single pension fund of Australia, which is 14 trillion. If we consider 1% of it, it is 140 billions. It is more than that. So don't worry about it in the longer term, but in the shorter term we have, because in currently we have also the elections up ahead, and they cannot sell these things earlier because they want these things to be pressured. And after that they will do some activities like liquidity, new paper printing, and then it will cost everyone to buy more. And they will say this government is good, that they are giving us so much, these kind of funds they will do, because it is a politics. It has always been the dirtiest game ever we have seen. And we also see the glass node data, which is currently saying that clearly they are saying that they are going to, they, as we see, the American government sold 4,000 Bitcoin, but currently on exchanges like, we can say, Coinbase currently do 30,000 plus Bitcoin daily average. So it won't be a big deal. And if we see on daily volume, it is still less than that, but still it gonna affect the market because it's gonna create a FUD that gonna cause the market to crash harder. And if it crashes, then you should buy instead of selling. Do not sell. Do not sell, because that will be a massive mistake you are ever gonna regret about. We can also see everyone is currently the rate, open interest is so much high. It means the leverage taken traders such as like future traders are so much bullish. They haven't even closed their position. Either they are short, either they are uh, that we can say the longest. So they haven't closed. So interest rate is so much high. Even currently everyone is still in the profit. Everyone is still in the profit till 40k. So they have to take their profits off the table because they don't want to lose the money. And that is more and more concerning about that we should buy or not. And we should buy. If it is falling slowly, then we should buy instead of waiting of a whole day that when it will fall and we will buy. That is kind of like are taking a risk that you are going to miss an opportunity. And if we go on the crypto count, let it load a bit second. We can also see the exchanges reserves are getting wider, and the inflows are higher than the outflows, because everyone is currently panicking. But people like BlackRock and others are buying, because they will just trying to buy from P2P. Like, the market never gonna see that impact. We also see Justin Sun offering German government to buy their Bitcoin directly without putting pressure in the market. And we also see the miners selling a lot, and we also have a lot of issues, not only these. And we currently see the market crash, but I expect the crash to be remain 40% at least. It is currently 20 to 25, but it has to become the 40%. And this was just gonna be a really boring video. I don't think anyone gonna watch, but it is what it is. And so don't worry about it, then it's gonna be a just fine rally. But as we see the short-term holders behavior, they are currently declining. They are declining as well, and because they want all the short hands, weak hands to be out of the market, and that will be a big deal. Like over here we can see 200 DMA, daily moving average, broken, panicked, so much panicked in October. Every price was down, and then pop, dump, dump, dump. That's what they are trying to do again. Come on, don't be afraid of that. Maximum what we can see, 40 to 20, what we can see, 60 to 40 best. That's all. So don't be panicked in these conditions. And we also see the volatility is currently at the peak. If you are a short-term trader, then you should do volatile trades, such as like trades like I have shown Solana trade in the video in the screen. Currently internet is very slow. Finally, we can see on the crypto quant, because recently one trade was a lot slower, and I have been recording this fifth, sixth time. And over you can see over the hash rate is on that peaks, and you can also see the miners are selling a lot, the whales, and the short-term traders switches and deposits as well. And we also see the market changing a lot, in not in every sense, in every perspective we can say. But currently, if you are doing trading, you should buy that real world assets RWA category. And over here you can see the net flow totally, and net reserves, new planner, and these kind of everything. You can just use the summary instead of charts, because I'm not going to show you charts, because some people will be confused a lot in them, and that will be not good. And see you soon. Have a good day. And this video was recorded in 2 parts, so it may feel changes as well, so don't worry about it. This was the current best market analysis I can give, which will be given you to in premium groups. This will be given to you in premium groups. I'm giving in just for free, because we all know it is obvious. They want to earn from you, they cannot give signals, they are just want to eat your money. So don't be foolish in this kind of condition. Just buy, and if you have it funds, just arrange funds. If you cannot arrange funds, just stay calm. Do not buy subscription. So see you soon. Have a good day. Bye bye.